Hello students, now we have finished chapter 1.4 and chapter 1.5. Yes, now we have not done any exercises in both the chapters. Yes, that is chapter 1.4 poem. And students, see, the chapter exercises which are in the textbooks are important. Okay, so now we will start with the exercise in 1.4, and I want you all to do this exercise in your notebook. Please don't leave the practice of writing. Okay, so going to page number 25. All of you all open page number 25. Take a pencil in your hand and you all can just mark, and some of the exercise which you all can do on your own, I will tell you all to do it on your own. Okay, now going to page 25, read the words in given clouds. Match them with what they signify. Now, here you will see stage. Stage means nothing but life. Characters, roles played by human beings. Script, situation or incidents. Dialogues, conversation. Entry, birth, exit, death. Okay, now here read the poem carefully and complete the following table. Ages of man. Now poet has described 7 ages of man. Yes, the role, the qualities. Now first role, infant. Right, infant. What infant does? Mewling and puking. Right there, mewling, puking. Second, schoolboy. What he does? Whining, creeping like a snail. Okay. Third, teenager. He's a lover. Yes, in bracket put lover. Sighing like a furnace. Writing a woeful ballad. Okay, write it. Fourth, youth. In bracket put soldier. Jealous in honor. Short-tempered, quick in quarrel, willing to do anything to gain reputation. Okay. Fifth is middle age, or you can write a judge. Yes. Now what he does? Severe eyes, formal beard, use wise sayings and modern examples. Yes. Then sixth age, old age. Lean, Lean, wears loose pants and spectacles on the nose. Childish whistles and whistling voice. Childish whistling voice. Now seventh age. Yes, old age. Seventh age, old age, or you call it the last stage, that is second childishness or second childhood. Yes, that is without teeth, without eyesight, without taste. Okay students. Okay, now turning your page, going to the next page. Please turn your pages, all of you all. Now here you will see, write down in your own words the differences between the following stages of man's life. Second and fourth stage. Now students, I have given you all the ages, so this you all have to do it on your own. Third and fifth stage, first and seventh stage. Okay, so you all have to do it. Now pick out lines that contain imagery. Now what is imagery? A picture that is created in your mind by using words or the following people. Okay, now here the schoolboy. You can, what picture creates in your mind? Whining. Yes, and with his satchel, a small boy with his satchel. Shining morning face, creeping like a snail. You can write all that. Okay. Then soldier. Soldier, bearded like a pard, sudden and quick in quarrel. Yes, brave even in death's mouth, all that. Then the judge, fifth stage. So fifth stage, round belly, fair round belly, yes, with eyes severe, beard in formal cut, write it down. Then sixth, that is the judge, we finish, senior citizen, yes, that is the old age, sixth stage, yes, leans and slippered pantaloon, spectacles on the nose, pouch on the side. Okay, now see the fifth activity. You will notice there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. It is a free verse. What means free verse? No rhyming words are there. It appears similar to poem Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so what do you mean by free verse? A poem that does not have rhyming scheme or rhyming words is called a free verse. Please write it FREEVERSC. Okay. Now, sixth activity. Think and write on your own. What is the theme, central idea of this poem? The theme or central idea of this poem is that man enters the earth or is born on the earth, plays different roles, yes, and then passes away, goes away or dies. So there is a 7 stages in man's life between birth and death. Now, which 2 stages of man described by Shakespeare sounds humorous and why? Of course, the first stage and the last stage. I feel it. Now, students, if you all feel any of the other stages is humorous means funny, you can write it. Yes, but please write it. The last stage, 7th stage of life sounds very sad and miserable. How can you make old age also cheerful and happy? Yes, now you see some people when they become old, they become very grumpy. Yes, बहुत किट करते, बड़बड़ करते, चिल्लाते रहते. Now, can a person who is old always remain like that? No, student. If a person wishes, he can make his old age also a very happy time. Yes, you might be seeing some of your grandparents enjoy with you all. Some of the grandparents become very grumpy. They are always yelling at you. No, that is not what the poet wants. The poet is telling a person can make his old age happy by being happy, spreading happiness. Poem is entirely metaphorical. What is metaphorical? It is comparison. Yes, comparison. Pick out the comparisons from the poem. World is described as a stage. Actors are players. Birth and death, entrance and exit. Schoolboy, yes, bright morning face. Lover's sigh, furnace. Spotted leopard, pard. Last stage, childishness, mere childhood. Okay, now you have to pick out examples from this poem of simile, onomatopoeia, alliteration, metaphor, inversion, transferred epithet. Now students, you all have to do this because I have given you all the figures of speech. Yes, I have given you all the figures of speech. Now transferred epithet is nothing but where the adjective is followed by the noun. Now read the summary. Of course, if you get the book as you like it, you can read it. Now read the poem again and write an appreciation. Now appreciation of the poem, students, when I meet you all in school, I will give you all a very easy type of appreciation. Yes, which you all have to learn and write it. It is for 5 marks. Yes, we will do it together. Appreciation is nothing but everything is given to you all in points. But you have to write the appreciation in paragraphs. Okay, the appreciation will be given topic, name of the poem, poet, rhyme scheme, everything in points. But when you all are writing the appreciation, it has to be written in what? You have to write it in paragraphs. Okay.